In the last Aerodrome video, I gave you this long right here, and we managed to take profit on it, and we're starting a second long right now, and I don't want to waste a second of your time. We'll start right away. I'll give you the exact playbook of the 1.5% target, why I have this target, what would that mean for this particular trade right here, and everything around that. So basically it will be take profit will be at 111.32. I'm being driven right now, so hope the audio is good. Obviously this video is not financial advice, but basically, as you can see right here, view up, which is this thing right here, is curving upwards right here. So as soon as that curves up, soon we'll have money flow curving up, and we can actually have a bigger target, but I want a very high win rate, and that's why I'm just choosing this 1.5% target right here. Let me know your thoughts about Aero, how you plan on trading it, and if you want me to make another video on it, just comment down below and I will within the next few days. Right now we're at 274 grand profit on meme coins. If you want to learn more about my meme coin strategy, use the link in the description down below. See you next video.